Okay, let me show you some apps that are pretty unusual that allow you to hide your data. One of them is Smart Hide Calculator. It's a pretty old app. As soon as you open it, you can see that it looks really old, and there is this giant bar on the bottom that doesn't fit in the modern 18 to 9 displays. This app is actually a password protected application vault. I remember using this back in high school, which was like 8 9 years ago. Man, I'm so old. Anyway, as soon as you open the app, you get the set password page. So you set a password. Let's keep something simple. Press equals to go to next. Again, confirm the same password. And now you will be asked a secondary password, which is, your kind of your backup password, which you can access by typing this in your calculator. I'll just put it as 1 2 3 4. And now it'll just act as a full-fledged calculator for all intents and purposes. You can do your basic math and get some good grades in your homework. So for the rest of the world, it's just a calculator, but you know that there is something different here. So as soon as you enter your password and press equals, boom, you get a interesting looking menu. Now this app was back in the root era where everything required to be rooted. So as you can see, it says device not rooted. So you had to have root access to freeze and unfreeze apps. So what you were able to do back in rooted devices is to freeze certain apps, meaning that no other person can open that, including yourself, until you open this app using the password. Now you can still use it to hide your files. So if you have any sensitive files in your phone that you don't want others to access, you can hide them easily here and they'll disappear from your phone. But things have changed since 2013. People have found a way to hide apps without any root access, and that's using third-party launchers, which they are disguising as app vaults. One of them is actually disguised as a notepad, so when people open it, it looks like a notepad app, but the concept is same. You enter a password and it opens a secret menu where you have your hidden apps. This one we're trying is called Notepad Vault. Again, as soon as you open, you get the password prompt. I'm going to keep mine super secure as usual. It also features fingerprint lock, so if you can enable that. Now, one of the gripes that I have on this app is that it only brings up the number pad on your phone. It doesn't bring up the normal text keypad, which Notepad usually brings up. So to a keen-eyed person, when they look at this, that may be a little suspicious. And I think the reason why it's coming up as a number is because this thing is a password field and Android system recognizes that it only accepts numbers. So it automatically changes the keyboard to numbers. You'll of course have to enter your password that you put in, and as soon as you do that, you enter a brand new launcher screen, which has all of your apps here. So this plus icon actually allows you to import those apps. So for example, if I take DroidCam X and put it into this, I can actually uninstall it from outside of this launcher. So it creates a separate copy of that app inside this app. Let's see if the app vault still has it. Yep, it's still there and I can use it as usual. So again, continuing the same trend, there are other apps like Dialer Lock, which as you may have guessed, it disguises itself as a dialer but hides your apps. And it's probably the same app which has been disguised in a separate way. So you get the same screen where you set your password. And you can still continue to use this as your main dialer. The only problem again I see is that it doesn't show you any like your contacts and stuff. But it can actually make phone calls. See? But again, the key is that we have to hide some apps. So again, it takes you to a very similar launcher window where you can add some apps that need to be hidden. It's quite cool that you're able to do this without actually rooting your phone because you're essentially creating a copy of that app. Rooting would allow you to control the behavior of the same app itself. But well, this is better than nothing. Alright, so the dual app has been created. Let's try the same test again. I'll uninstall that from my main launcher. Gone. And if I go to my dialer, enter the password, and there it is. The only problem with this app is that it has tons of ads. So even your ad-free apps that you go here and download, shut up. So even if you place ad-free apps inside this launcher, you may see ads on top of it as overlay. And there you go, just like that. A dialer, a calculator and a notepad, which are all seemingly relevant or rather innocent apps, but only you know the secrets of them. Anyone who picks up and uses them will see that it behaves exactly the same until of course you put your password in and all of a sudden it has secrets. There are plenty of apps out there like that, so if you use anything personally, let me know in the comments, and you can also hang out on Discord. Link is in the description.